Hey everyone, if you've ever wondered how you can elevate your game in the tech world, well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you some straightforward steps that can set you on the path to becoming a tech guru. So, let's dive right in. First things first, stay curious. The tech industry is rapidly evolving, and the key to keeping up is a thirst for knowledge. Subscribe to tech blogs, follow industry leaders on social media, and don't be afraid to dive deep into topics that pique your interest. Next up, hands-on experience. There's no substitute for getting your hands dirty. Whether it's building your own PC, coding a simple app, or setting up a home network, real-world practice will deepen your understanding like nothing else. Now let's talk about networking, and no, I don't just mean computer networks. Connecting with other tech enthusiasts and professionals can open up a wealth of knowledge and opportunities. Attend tech meetups, seminars, and join online communities. Sharing knowledge and asking questions can lead to valuable insights and even mentorships. Continuing education is also vital. The learning never stops in the tech world. Consider taking online courses or even certifying in specific areas like cybersecurity, AI, or cloud computing. These credentials can not only boost your knowledge but also enhance your resume. Lastly, never underestimate the power of teaching. Sharing what you learn not only consolidates your own knowledge, but also establishes you as a go-to person in your network. Start a blog, a YouTube channel, or even just help out friends and family. Teaching is learning twice. So there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to becoming a tech guru. Remember, it's all about passion, persistence, and constantly pushing the boundaries of your knowledge and abilities. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep sharing. Catch you in the next video.